Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you with a deep sense of empathy and understanding for the battles you face, the shadows you endure, and the pain that depression has brought into your lives. It is not an easy journey, but I want you to know that you are not alone, and there is hope. I, like many of you, have faced my own struggles and battled demons that seemed insurmountable. It's important to acknowledge that depression can feel like an endless abyss. But I'm here today to share a message of hope, to remind you that even in the darkest of times, there is light.
I've walked through my own dark days, doubting if I'd ever see the sun again. But I'm here today to tell you that I did. And I firmly believe that you can too. One of the first steps on this journey is recognizing that you don't have to go through it alone. There are people ready and willing to help you, professionals who specialize in guiding individuals out of the darkest depths of depression. Seeking their support is not a sign of weakness but of immense strength.
In the midst of depression, self-care can feel like an impossible task, but it's crucial. Start with small steps, like taking a short walk, practicing deep breathing, or simply finding a moment of quiet each day. Self-compassion and kindness are the building blocks of recovery. Positive change often begins with small habits. Incorporate activities you enjoy into your daily routine. It could be reading, painting, or listening to music. These seemingly small choices can make a significant difference in your mental health. Coping strategies like mindfulness and relaxation techniques can help you regain control over your thoughts and emotions. Journaling can be a powerful tool to express your feelings and track your progress. Remember, you are not defined by your depression. You are defined by your resilience and your ability to keep fighting, even when the battle seems endless. Countless individuals have emerged from the depths of depression stronger and more resilient than ever. While depression often isolates us, connecting with others is vital. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups. Share your feelings, and let them share in your journey. There is no shame in struggling with depression. It's a challenge that millions face, and we must confront the stigma that surrounds it. Opening up about your experiences can help break down barriers and pave the way for more understanding and compassion. In conclusion, I want to emphasize that there is hope, even when it feels elusive. Your journey may be difficult, but it is worth it. Seek help, embrace self-care, and remember that you are not alone. There is a brighter future waiting for you. Remember, the journey to recovery is possible, and you have the strength to overcome depression. Keep moving forward, one step at a time, and never lose sight of the light that awaits you. Thank you, and may hope guide your path to healing. Kindly like, share, subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon for latest updates.